My name is Chef Ernest at Hallie's Restaurant in West Palm Beach, Florida. I'm the one who responsible to make a pumpkin pie for Thanksgiving. I'm gonna show you guys how we make a pumpkin pie at Hallie's Restaurant. But first, I'm gonna crack my eggs. And I put all my ingredient in it, like nutmeg, cinnamon. At least that's for one pie. You make like a table and a half teaspoon nutmeg, 1 table clove, and 1.5 tablespoon ginger, and 1.5 table cinnamon. And I'm gonna mix everything together with the eggs. And right now, I'm gonna put my pumpkin. Mix it up again. Make sure everything is mixed together. And I'm gonna put my condensed milk. And right now, I'm gonna put my filling on the pie. It's gonna be like at least 3 little. And right now, my pie is full, and I'm gonna go put it in the oven at 325 degrees and for 25 minutes at least. And right now I'm gonna put my pie on the 7 plate and little whipped cream on top. That's a pumpkin pie. That's for the happy Thanksgiving.
Hi, I'm Katie from Hallie's. Don't forget to call and make your reservations for Thanksgiving. We're open 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. We serve full breakfast until 11 a.m. We offer limited lunch and dinner, which includes our Thanksgiving meal for $18.95. 100% of the proceeds from our Thanksgiving meal go to help Healthy Bellies, Meals on Wheels, and the Lord's Place.